So in today's episode, I want to talk about the exact way to use a video to help increase some conversions when you're using them for advertising, let's say on the Facebook advertising side of things. So what we want to do is we want to make sure we have our videos, and before we do that, it's always super important that you have the right type of people on your videos, because the people in your videos, again, are going to attract the same type of people. So you want to make sure you have people who are ideal clients, who are very emotional, and obviously who have results. You do the video with them, you record that. Now what you want to do is on the advertising side of things, you want to put that out there, you want to promote that video, but you're targeting the exact same type of person for your ad. So if you have a mom, a busy mom who is 35, 36 years old, she's got 2 kids, that's the exact same demographic you're going to want to target. If you target to the people who are exactly in that video, A, let's say Facebook is going to drive those types of people to it, but B, then you're going to have that person doing an even better job of filtering them out because she's going to attract the people who are exactly like her. Very simple process, very basic, but something a lot of times we're dropping the ball. And once I started implementing this and having my clients do this, we started seeing big differences in conversion rates with the programs and promotions they were running, because now they had a specific audience that they could go to. So if they wanted to run a moms only program, they now had a specific audience they could run that promotion to an exact same type of people that their clients are like. Conversion rates go up, they get quality leads, they end up turning into better clients who end up referring more, and the cycle repeats itself when they have more testimonials. So this is really, really important to do this. You want to take the people, build audiences from each of the testimonial videos that you have. Now, some people would ask, okay, well, what if I have a montage style video? What do I do? Well, in that case, you can do the same thing. You can run it to multiple different audiences. So let's say you've got 4 or 5 or 6 people in there. That first audience you could target is the one person, like one of those people. So let's say it's that single mom. You run that montage to those single moms and see what it does. Let's say you've got an older guy, 66, you run it to that audience and see what it does. You get that, so you have different audiences to test against, and then you run it to just a generic audience, so that way you can actually see what the people are doing and filtering things out. All of this is huge. You're going to have so much data, but really powerful stuff that's going to help generate a lot of higher quality leads and clients, and in the end, that's what we really are looking for. So go ahead and give this a try, see what it does, and make sure you save all this different data, because you're going to be able to leverage it and use it to get some really, really good results. So as always, questions, comments, concerns, let me know. Talk to you next time.